Hey people, how you doing? Today I'm going to make avocado coriander chutney. Oh yeah, it's a great sauce and there are different sorts of chutney. But today I keep it by avocado and coriander, or in America, cilantro, because this chutney by itself is already strong. So let's dive into the ingredients. So the ingredients. First, we are putting some coriander, and then some lemon, 1 avocado, salt, red chili pepper, some cloves of garlic, and the most important, vinegar. So I put most of the ingredients in the blender and turn it on. And as you can see, it's not going smoothly. So I add some lemon juice and sometimes extra vinegar. And then also coriander, because it is coriander avocado chutney, of course. And as you can see, the blender goes smoothly and you're almost done. And this is the result. I put the chutney in a bowl, or maybe not. Anyways, keep in mind that this coriander avocado chutney is spicy. So if you love spicy sauces, just make it as well and you will be surprised. You can serve this chutney with rice and pakoras, but also with many other dishes. Good luck and see you in the next video.